Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How to fade in CapCut. So there's a quick way, and I will just show you the quick and fast method to fade in or out. So we will just drag any video you want. So what we're gonna do, we will just have to simply go in the effects option, just tap, and in the search bar you will just have to type for fade. So if you want to just fade in like that, so we will just click in this download option. After download, we will just have to tap on it plus. So that's it. So we will just have to click the long video and we will just have to play. So basically this is the fade in. Now if we want to just fade out, so we will just have tab on it, this one, fade out. First of all, you will just have to download, then you will just have to able to plus icon, and we will just have to play from the beginning. So that's fade in, and now into fade out. So there is a quick way. You will just have to adjust it from here. You will just have to hold, and you will just have to select it any of you want. So that's it. In this way, you will just have to fade in CapCut smooth. Thank you so much for watching, guys.